and do the right thing as an actress, as I am introduced now as an actress. So, working with Kyle and Donnie has been so much fun. Kasi, hindi nila pinapa-feel sa akin na I'm a baguhan. And they very much welcome me in this cast. So did everyone else. Sorry, natatawa ako.
Go, Kyle.
Wala lang. Happy lang, di ba? Happy naman.
May mga naalala lang si Kai. Siguro yung mga TikTok videos na ginagawa nila doon. Baka lang naalala.
Di ba happy? Super happy.
Happy.
Happy ka ba?
Oh, sobra ba?
Di ba? And,
Si
Gusto
Kai
nyo,
yung
alis muna tayo.
si Kai yung tinatanong ko dito.
Tinanong ako ba?
Okay,
no,
sige.
syempre naman, kasi those happy moments were shared with Kyle and these other wonderful cast. So,